Subscribe now and press the bell icon.
True love is not based upon romance, candlelight dinner, and walks along the beach. In fact, it's based on care, compromise, respect, and trust. Love when you're ready, not when you are alone. There is number 2 second rule when it comes to love. You can't put it down and pick it up later without fear of someone being hurt in the process. Love is not meant to be restricting or cruel. Love is meant to fill the heart with warmth and free the soul from misery. A book without words is like love without a kiss. It's empty. Love is like air. We can't see it, but we can feel it. Love is real, real is love. Perfecting the love we can give is far more productive than trying to find the perfect person to love. If you were thinking about someone while studying, you're definitely in love. Thousands of smiles have crossed my face all thanks to you. It's amazing how in 1 second, love can make you smile, laugh, cry, and feel complete. There is no right or wrong place for love. It's kind of just happens, and then you're stuck with it. Experience has shown me that you can lust over many, but only truly love one person. You know it's love when all you want is that person to be happy, even if you're not part of their happiness. The scorching sun in the desert provides an everlasting thirst, but your love creates a lasting purpose. We come to love not by finding a perfect person but by learning to see an imperfect person perfectly. Life is good equals no jealousy plus no worries plus no doubts equals true love, and in the end, the love you take is equal to the love you make.